Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Today we are going to see about AutoCAD software. In AutoCAD software, we are going to see about the offset command. So this offset command can be used for providing the same object at some distance. Okay, that is repeated. You can repeat the same in some distance. Okay. First, how we can use this offset command? So you can give the command as offset, 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 or you can use the short form O, and the third option you can use the icon. This icon is available in the home tab, then that is modify. In the modify you can see this third, there are number of command tools, there are third row, this last it is the offset. Okay, this offset command. So you can choose this tool. So you can see here in the command bar, that is offset. You can need to specify the distance. So to specify the distance, you can give the specified distance. What is the distance you are going to give the offset, and then you can draw. Okay, we shall see this in detail. So for that I shall choose an staircase model. Okay, this is stair hall. I am going to draw the stair hall. How we can draw this? You can see this. So first I shall draw this stair hall dimension. This dimension it is 4500, and this horizontal direction it is 3300. I have drawn in mm. Okay, 4500, and horizontal distance it is 3300. Okay, now I shall use this offset command. That is, I have given the short form O. You can specify the offset distance. This offset distance, it is for line. Okay, that is we are going to draw the, this is a brickwork. So brickwork, it is dimension it is 230. Okay, so I shall give this distance to 230. Enter. So distance I have given is 230. So it is asking for the offset. I need to choose this first object. This is first object, and this is second object. The next I need to choose, and the place we need to provide. If I click this object here and give it inside, it will be provided inside. Okay. So this is the just you need to click it. Select this object. You need to produce the same, and you are going to select it here where you need to provide it. Okay. Have provided the outside dimension. Now I shall use the fillet command. So here fillet command I need to provide it in two dimensions. So I shall click multiple. Okay. Now I have drawn the outside dimensions. Now I need to draw the steps. Okay. For that I shall draw a line 1500, then 300, then 1500. Okay. Here number of steps I shall take it 10 stars. Okay, so I need to offset this. So I shall give offset command. I have already we need to get this. I need to erase the first reference. So I shall choose this erase source object. This asks erase the source object after offsetting. Yes. So I shall click yes. Offset distance mostly I shall give us 300. Okay. So it is multiple. So it is multiple. I need to provide number of objects. I shall give here 10. Okay. Enter. So first third object. So just I am clicking up to which I can provide. Okay. So up to 3300 I have provided this. Okay, it may be 10 objects or something. Okay, I have provided the just I have provided moved in which direction I need to provide. So the source, if I click enter, the source object will be deleted. See here, source object has been deleted. Okay, so I shall move to the next side, the next option here. Okay, I shall enter it again. Here there is one more thing, layer. Layer, here it is two types. One is current. If it is, usually it will be working in current. Current means what layer I am using. Here I am using a blue color layer. This is layer 1. Okay. In layer 1, that is I have drawn with blue color lines. Okay. If it is source means the source which I have been selecting. Here it is everything it is in blue color. Okay. This is the current what I have been using. We shall choose the source. Okay. For this I shall choose the layer for this line should be in. I shall change the layer. So layers, I shall go to layer 2. I have changed the layer of this line. Okay, but I am working in this layer 1. Okay, the current layer of my drawing, it is layer 1, but the source of this line, it is layer 2. So again I shall choose offset command. Okay, offset command, the distance same 3000, but I shall choose the layer. Here usually we work in current layer, but I am going to choose the source. So what is the difference? So in source, what we are going to select the line, that is reference line. It is in which source? The source will be used for remaining. Okay, here erase I shall give yes, so it will be yes. Then we need to go through the distance. So distance it is 300. Okay, before that I need to give multiple, so that only I can draw number of lines. Just I am clicking where I need, I am clicking. Okay, that's all over. So I shall press enter, so it will be moved out. Okay, again I need this offset. Yeah, now I shall remove the erase, because I need a line. So if I give no, see here, if I have given erase no, so it will not, the source object will not be removed. Okay, so I have drawn the staircase, stair hall using offset lines. Thank you. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button. You can share with your friends. Hereafter we can get the videos regularly. Thank you. But subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it. Please subscribe it. Thank you.